Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're demystifying something that sounds super simple, but honestly, it can easily turn into a totally frustrating maze. We are talking about finding your exact 15-digit We Energies account number. Getting your hands on this specific piece of info is literally the foundation for managing your energy services smoothly. So let me ask you, ever struggled to locate your We Energies account number when you need it most? Yeah, you are definitely not alone there. Whether you're standing in the dark during a power outage or you're just trying to quickly pay a bill before the deadline hits, scrambling for those account details is, well, it's incredibly stressful. But hey, don't worry. Your solution is just a click away. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to find it completely stress-free. So why does this matter so much? Well, knowing how to quickly locate your account number is absolutely crucial. Think of this 15-digit number as your golden key. It unlocks the whole shebang, reporting power outages instantly online, setting up paper-free billing, starting or stopping your service when you move, and even diving into your historical energy usage to spot those sweet, cost-saving trends. A little knowledge right now is going to save you a ton of time and alleviate so much frustration later on when you actually need to contact support or use the portals. Here's our quick roadmap for this explainer. First, the registration paradox. 2, finding it online. 3, offline alternatives. 4, troubleshooting login issues. 5, security best practices. And 6, our final disclaimer.
Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1, the registration paradox, or the catch-22 of account setup.
All right, so picture this. To register for the main My Account online portal or the mobile app, the system requires your 15-digit account number. But to look up your account number online, you need to already be registered, right? It is the ultimate digital catch-22. It absolutely protects your data, for sure, but it creates this incredibly frustrating loop if you don't happen to have a physical paper statement handy. If you've ever felt stuck here, believe me, your experience is totally valid. The crucial thing here is understanding exactly what the system is asking you for. The We Energies system strictly requires a 15-digit format. It's structured as 10 digits, a hyphen, and then 5 more digits. Oh, and here's a quick pro tip straight from our source material. When you're registering, you absolutely must use the precise legal name listed on the account. That includes any prefixes or suffixes, like Mr., Miss, Junior, or the third. Literally, if it is printed on your bill, it has got to be in that registration form. Moving right along to Section 2, finding it online. Let's cover the steps for registered users. If you're already set up, the step-by-step process is a breeze. First, just log into the We Energies My Account portal. Next, navigate over to the View Bill History tool. And what's really fantastic here is that the portal stores up to 24 months of your statements. Actually, scratch that. It's up to 25 months if you're enrolled in paper-free billing. Just click on any historical statement to download a secure PDF. This PDF is a literal, exact replica of a paper bill. Just check out the document header, specifically Section 2 in the upper right corner, and boom, there is your complete 15-digit account number. Now, there is a specific security feature of the We Energies mobile app that you definitely want to be aware of. The app, which is available on iOS and Android, perfectly mirrors the web portal's functionality. You can pull up your bill PDF right on your phone. However, for data privacy reasons, it requires you to re-authenticate. That just means you have to log in again with your username and password every 90 days or immediately if you manually hit log out. Just keep that in mind so you aren't caught off guard when you're in a hurry. Section 3. Offline alternatives. Let's talk about where to look without a login. And this brilliantly illustrates your options if you just can't get online. You've got several really solid offline workarounds. On a physical monthly bill, check the upper right panel in Section 2. If you were issued a physical account ID card, it's printed right there on the front center identification line. Got your policy declaration documents? Look at the page 1 header. And finally, do a quick search in your email inbox for direct confirmations from We Energies. Your account number is very often included right in the subject line or the body header of those service emails. Next up, Section 4, troubleshooting login issues, breaking down those barriers. Look, it happens to the best of us. You go to log in and your mind just goes completely blank. You just can't remember your user ID or password. If you are currently staring at a frustrating error message on the login screen, take a deep breath. You've got a couple of highly effective recovery options. First thing to try, use the online self-help recovery tool. Just click Forgot Password or Forgot User ID. This shoots a secure link straight to the email address associated with your profile. Easy, right? But if you no longer have access to that old email address, the online recovery just won't work. In that case, you need to pick up the phone and call residential customer support directly at 800-242-9137. They're actually available 24 hours a day to assist you in verifying your identity and regaining access. Now, if you happen to be managing a commercial or industrial account through the dedicated business account online gateway, the rules are slightly different. A registered business customer can just use the standard online self-service recovery. However, an unregistered business customer who has lost their account number cannot use those automated lookup tools. You actually must call the dedicated business support desk at 800-714-7777 to retrieve your info. Moving to Section 5, Security Best Practices, Protecting Your Digital Identity. We Energies actually enforces several pretty strict technical safeguards during the registration process. Like we mentioned earlier, it requires an exact legal name match. But get this, it also requires you to verify the last 4 digits of the primary account holder's social security number, or for businesses, the federal employer identification number. And here's what's really fascinating. If those digits do not match their database exactly, the portal immediately halts your registration. Bam, stopped. It then triggers a physical activation letter sent via the U.S. Postal Service directly to the address on record. This offline verification is a brilliant way to prevent unauthorized digital access to your personal account history. It's also a fantastic reminder for all of us to use strong passwords and keep our contact information regularly updated to ensure maximum account security. Finally, Section 6, Final Disclaimer. Stay informed. Please keep in mind that company policies, website layouts, and security protocols, well, they can and do change over time. Always ensure you are proactively protecting your personal information. We highly encourage you to regularly check the official We Energies website or just communicate directly with their support team to get the absolute most up-to-date and current info regarding your account access. While we've officially solved the mystery of the 15-digit number, now that you possess the golden key to your account and you know exactly how to access your online dashboard seamlessly, I've got to ask, what hidden cost-saving trends will you discover in your energy history?